20K it says 220 fixtures.
Yeah. Sorry.
Let me know when you're ready. I'll press the button.
Okay, go ahead. It's kind of spacey in here. Okay, let's switch sides. I have a very specific style for filming department store elevators.
I like that. I kind of like the lighting here. It's kind of like relaxing.
Yeah, it's spacey. It is nice, though. You're right about that. This kind of looks like a Macy's cab interior, sort of, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does a lot.